Hello everyone, welcome to the Villa Chef. Today we'll be making New York Halal guys style chicken and rice. Here I have used boneless chicken breast pieces. You can also use thigh pieces after you debone them. Let's first make the chicken breast pieces thinner by slicing them from the center. Marinate the chicken pieces with all the dry powders that were shown before. Along with lime juice, vinegar, yogurt, oil, and ginger garlic paste. Cover and keep it in the fridge overnight or at least for 2 hours. Now let's make the white sauce. Mix together sour cream, mayo, yogurt, vinegar, lemon juice, salt, sugar, parsley flake, pepper powder in cold water. You can add more cold water till you get the right consistency. Mix well and your white sauce is ready. For the red sauce, coarse grind tomatoes, chili flakes, vinegar, garlic, chili powder, lemon juice and salt. Place a pan on medium hot flame and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the crushed whole spices and the garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Now add the chopped onions and continue to saute till the onions are translucent. Now add the rice and fry the rice for a few minutes. Add the boiling water into the rice. Add saffron, salt and the chicken stock cube. Mix well and bring to a boil. Wait till the rice soaks up the water. Reduce the flame to low and cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, while the rice is cooking, let's get to the chicken. Make sure that the chicken has been at room temperature for at least 20 minutes before you start cooking. Switch on the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Line a baking tray with foil and keep a grill over the tray. Arrange the chicken pieces on the tray. Once the oven is hot, bake the chicken on high broil on both sides till slightly brown. Turn the sides of the chicken once during the process. You can alternatively also pan fry the chicken with very little oil till it is cooked and slightly browned. Let's open the cover and check if the rice has been cooked. Once all the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked, switch off the flame, cover with a foil and keep aside. Once cooked, take out the chicken pieces into a bowl. And place a foil with red hot charcoal in it. Add a few drops of oil or ghee on the charcoal, cover and smoke it for 15 minutes. Then slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces and keep aside. The dish now is ready to be assembled. In a bowl, layer the rice at the bottom. Arrange the chicken pieces over the rice along with chopped tomatoes and chopped lettuce. Drizzle the red sauce and the white sauce over it. And the dish is ready to be enjoyed. You can find the full list of ingredients and the method in the description box below. Do like and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more dishes from around the world. The Villa Chef signing off.